Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing slash unpackaging to share with you guys. I think I know what's in here, but then again, I kind of don't. We're going to find out together. Thanks so much to whoever sent this. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, what do we got here? Quick cut, quick slice, real satisfying. We have, that is not something that I recognize. Hold on. Okay, the Remette folding pocket knife. What? Okay, I'm going to link this down below. There's a word in here that I'm very interested to find out how that translates on this. But I think I remember having a conversation with this company. It's hard to say. What do we have? Oh, that's right. That's right, I do. Okay. So, shred carbon fiber. Believe it or not, that is the button. This is a button lock. Now, this is a Chinese manufacturer. Oh, action right there, Smooth. Boy, that's good looking. What? What the heck kind of finish is this? Okay, so listen. First off, hold on. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's just beautiful. Okay. Really nice aesthetic. Hang on a second. This little piece of paper I'm looking at here, which has a bunch of barcodes on it and information that some of my stuff, I'm not going to show it, but it says button lock, pearlescent M390 blade. That's the word that threw me there. Now, I'm not sure if what I'm seeing is legitimately pearlescence, but I will say this. I'm trying to get every last little thing off the blade so I can focus on the finish. The finish is different. Look at this. Is it pearlescent? Boy, I don't know. This is different. Wow. Oh, I like it though. Man, it looks good. Look at that finish. Oh, literally all I knew about it was, hey, that looks like a pretty good looking button lock. The button itself is textured. I mean, it's a nice profile. We got a little bit of zazz, a little bit of personality here. Nice carbon fiber, nice transition from the bolster to the carbon fiber. We got a milled clip. We got a milled backspacer. Great ergonomics, nice thumb stud shape. Really, really good looking knife. But again, the finish on the blade, I didn't know about that. That was not the initial draw to this. Literally just now reading pearlescent finish. Whatever it is, there are little, I think there are subtle hints of, there are hues of other colors in there. Mainly blue. Maybe there's like a hint of green. I cannot, it's like this finish really wants to pick up other marks, but oh man, it's just little bits of blue, green. As I turn this, which is how you get, if pearlescence is exists, as you turn it, then as the light bends, that's when you see the different colors. The finish is gorgeous though. I really, really like this finish. My camera does not know exactly what to do with it. That is hot. I love the button. We never see, we've seen a few different styles of buttons, but buttons have always been, the button lock knives have always been the same type of thing. It's just a circle that's essentially the exact same, diameter as the plunge lock underneath or the piston lock. How is the lockout? Just a little bit. Is there? Nope, now it's gone. Oh. Was I pushing the stupid microfiber cloth in there? It was getting stuck underneath the blade tang. Yeah, it's solid. Oh man, that is cool. I'm pretty sure they have a decent price tag on this. Nice centering. That's my fault. Nice centering, nice action. Yeah, big fan of that. Big fan of that. That's really nice. Let's take a look at the inside. No additional milling, and the scales are just laying right on top of the titanium. But you know what? It doesn't feel like a super heavy knife. In fact, here's your balance right here. Let's measure it. I want to say that's 7.75 inches. I'm just taking a wild guess. Is my tape measure not here? Is it really not here? It's probably not because I just had to use it. No, there it is. Okay. But again, this is the name of this knife is the Remette, R-E-M-E-T-T-E. I'll have it linked down in the description so you guys can take a look. Overall length, it's closer. Nope, it's almost right on the dot. Slightly over, I'm calling it 7.8 inches. Blade length, if you go to here at the top, 3 1/4. If you go all the way back here, back of the frame, you're looking at 3 1/2 inches. Cutting edge is absolutely 3 1/4. The only issue that I can see with this is the placement of the thumb stud, which is very much in the cutting path. Very much. This probably would have been better to cut this a little bit down and to move the thumb stud back just a bit, which would move it up, and they would have had to accommodate for it here in the frame to keep it the right size. Truthfully, that's not that big of a deal, as we cut generally at a, most people will, even down will cut, or in, they'll cut down like at a diagonal line. But in some cases, that thumb stud will get hung up on the material that you're cutting. As far as first impressions go, minor critique. I love the knurling on the button too. That's really nice. That's really, really cool. Not a lot of travel either with the button. Sorry, I bumped the camera there. Not an enormous amount of travel, just a little bit. A little tiny bit of stick, but that's okay. Imagine that'll work itself out over time. Also, minimal play down here too, which is not what I usually expect. I usually expect quite a bit more play with a button lock. I mean, just judging by like the ProTech Malibu. Those of you who are watching this with the ProTech Malibu right now, close it, grab it here, and wiggle it while it's in the closed position. There's usually a good amount of what I normally call detent play, but it's not. There's no detent on a plunge lock, or what's serving as a detent is not traditionally what we think of. But yeah, stop pin located right here. And we've got some shouldering. They put M390 on the blade back here. This is another cool thing about this knife. No branding anywhere. Nothing. I wish more companies would do this. That is so nice. Yeah, that's cool. Glad I took a chance on this company. Again, here we are. I mean, I'm going to link it in the description. Quigmugs. I don't know how to say. Where there's only one vowel. It's just all consonants. It's just Y. When they say sometimes Y, A-E-I-O-U and sometimes Y, this is the sometimes in Quigmigs. That's the only time. Yeah, this is cool. Expect a full comprehensive review of this knife a few weeks down the road. That's going to be pretty much it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.